swipe variations. Comment down below your favorite swipe. Okay, for those of you that have watched this video and don't have a swipe, I'm going to explain how to do the normal swipe in under a minute. Here are my 7 steps to learning the swipe. Step 1, learn the 1 step and the 2 step. These are the footwork variations of the single-legged swipe and the double tap swipe. Step 2, learn the swipe hold. Step 3, learn to switch arms while keeping the hips high. Step 4, swipe over. This will teach you how to rotate your hips. Step 5, learn the one-legged swipe hold. So many people I've taught skip this part and they wonder why they can't do the single-legged swipe still. It's hard to hold, I get it, trust me. Step 6, learn to swing up, bringing your legs off the floor. And finally, step 7, learn to swing up and around, thus performing the swipe. Once you land one, just practice multiples and then you shall have the swipe, boom, swipe tutorial in under a minute. If this is too simplified for you, go watch my 14-minute swipe tutorial. Just like our footwork, we can variate our power moves too. That's the name of the game for breaking, new transitions, your own transitions, and variate your moves. Boom, and that's it. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm AJ47. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and if you would like to, there are ways you can support the channel listed down below. Stay fresh, stay clean, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace!